It's Saturday morning. I'm awake earlier than usual. I don't know why. I just woke up. The house is quiet. Everyone else is still sleeping. I don't want to wake them. I get up slowly and go to the kitchen. The floor is cold under my feet. I like it. First things first, coffee. I always make coffee before anything else in the morning. I fill the kettle and turn it on. It starts to hum softly. I wait. I get my mug from the cupboard. It's my favorite mug, big and blue. I put in the coffee, then I reach for the sugar. The jar feels light, too light. I open it and look inside. There's almost nothing left. Not enough for my coffee. Oh, no sugar. I look around the kitchen. What else do I have? Then I see it, a small jar of honey on the shelf. I haven't used it in a while. Maybe honey will work. I add a little to my coffee and stir it slowly. The kettle clicks off. I pour the hot water and watch the coffee get darker. I pick up my mug with both hands. It's warm. That feels good. I take a sip. It's sweet. Different from usual, but actually nice. I sit down at the table by the window. The light outside is soft and gray. The house is still quiet. I can hear a bird outside. I drink my coffee slowly. There's no rush today, nowhere to be. I'm happy just to sit here. The honey was a good idea. Maybe I'll skip the sugar again next Saturday.